How to see mutual friends on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can see mutual friends on Snapchat. So to get started, first of all, go ahead and open up your Snapchat application. And when you are inside the Snapchat application, go ahead to that plus icon where you can add friends. And here in the quick add, as you can see, this particular person has 2 mutual friends with me. And when I click on it, there is no option to see mutual friends, or the person name is not appeared there. So let me tell you guys, there is no such features that shows you mutual friends on Snapchat. You can only see how many mutual friends that you have with the other person, but you cannot exactly see the person's name. So in order to see mutual friends, you'll have to add them. So that's all for now. I hope you found the video to be informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.